With so many candles on the market, getting your product seen might feel daunting, but there's always new ways to innovate in the industry, and doing so will help your candles stand out so that you can start making some sales. One way to innovate is to switch up your containers. So here's how we would pair one of our best-selling fragrance oils with a cute little container to make candles that smell great and leave a lasting impression on anyone scrolling through their socials. We found these miniature glass pitchers online, and after testing them out with our in-house wax and a suitable wick, I wanted to make a candle in one using our version of Bath & Body Works Watermelon Lemonade Fragrance Oil. Melt down a Parasoy container blend in a wax melting pot or over a double boiler. Our premium 6600 Parasoy blend works like a charm in all types of candle vessels, with a smooth single pour finish and a vibrant color payoff. Chop it up into little cubes to make it a little bit more manageable to melt. Keep a thermometer on hand to check when the wax reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's going, prep the little pitcher by adhering a suitable wick to the bottom with a sticker tab or hot glue. I'm using a 6-inch Eco 8 wick, which works well with Parasoy wax in a container of this size. Once the wax hits the ideal temperature, carefully remove it from the heat source and let it drop 10 or so degrees before adding in the fragrance. Heating the wax to 185 degrees and letting it drop to 175 is key to getting the best hot throw in your candles. By getting the wax up to temp, you allow all the little molecular structures inside to expand wide enough for the fragrance, and cooling it just a bit ensures none of the oil burns off when you add it. When you're ready to add the Watermelon Lemonade Fragrance Oil, stir it in gently but thoroughly to disperse it evenly throughout the melted wax. To make the wax look like actual watermelon lemonade in a pitcher, add 2 drops of red liquid candle dye or about 2 grams of a solid dye block. Candle dyes are highly concentrated, so only add in a little bit at a time if you want your candles to be on the pastel side. Pour temperatures vary based on the wax that you're using, but for our 6600 container blend, we recommend doing so around 160 degrees to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the pitcher after giving the wax a quick temperature check, and center the wick using a bow tie holder or your preferred method. From here, you can add any final touches that you'd like a wax lemon embed like me. I made these using the same wax and more of the Watermelon Lemonade Fragrance Oil. For tips on making and using embeds in your candles, check out the candle playlist on our channel. And that's it! Now you've got a fun idea to add to your line that pops on store shelves without having to add tons of extra steps to your production process. Leave us any questions or comments that you might have about our wax, making candles, or using fragrance down below. If you haven't already, hit us up on our socials to get in touch with us. We'd love to help you get started on your small business journey. For more tips, watch our free Candle Making 101 course on fragranceU.com, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.